Today I'm doing my kind of basic evening look, of course without any liquid foundation and without any liquid eyeliner. My contact lenses are Pure Hazel by Fresh Look. Now make sure your face is very well moisturized before makeup. Use a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Makeup on any kind of dry skin doesn't sit well, and you can use a lip plumper like I'm using, or you can use a lip balm before makeup. Because I don't want layers, I'm going to first go in with my concealer, cover up the redness or whatever requires to be covered, and then I'm going to go in with my powder foundation with a light hand. The main thing to do is do a bit of color correction with your concealer or any other color corrector that you need specifically for your skin. Being a lifestyle blogger, I use my personal products, but please feel free to use products of your own choice and just follow the technique. Now I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix, which is a dry foundation. Foundation doesn't always have to be liquid. This gives you a lighter look, and even if you have dry skin, it will not matter because you're using it with a light hand after moisturizing really well. If you want to use the same products as me, they're captioned in the video. You'll find them in Nykaa, Tira Beauty and Sephora. I like to set my eyebrows with a gel so that it stays in place. If you need to draw it, go for it. Now take a dark brown eyeshadow of your choice and a flat eyeshadow brush. Dab on the brown on your upper eyelid, go up till your crease line. If you have hooded eyes, go up higher. Take little product every time, making sure you dust off the extra product from the brush and just keep dabbing. It doesn't have to be neat. Now take a soft fluffy eyeshadow brush and a neutral transition shade and just apply it on your crease line and blend it out so that there are no harsh lines. Make sure you blend with patience. Now also, once again, touch up the dark brown. And whatever is left on your brush, apply it on your lower outer lash line. I'm using a black kohl on my lower waterline to make the eye makeup a little more intense. Use a good mascara to complete your eye makeup. When you buy a mascara, look for descriptions like lengthening, curling, volume. That will make a better impact on your eye makeup. I always fill out and line my lips with a nude lip liner before lipstick. This makes my lipstick stay longer. Then define your lips with a lip liner that will go with your lipstick. Use a lipstick of your choice. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Sticks. These are very nice. They're lipsticks which are already glossy. Or you can very well use a lipstick and keep it matte, or use a lipstick and a neutral gloss on it. Now make sure you use a blush. I'm not going to contour. If you use the blush in the angle that I'm using it in, it will automatically contour your face. I use a cream blush because I like the look of it. Also, my skin is dry, so it helps. But if you have oily skin, by all means, if you want, use a powder blush. Okay, so my makeup is almost done. At this stage, I'm going to just touch up my powder foundation. Trust me, this makeup will stay very long. Just carry your powder foundation in case you need to touch up. I'm going to end my makeup with a highlighter. Now use a setting spray and you're good to go. I'll see you soon with easy, relatable makeup looks. Till then, take care and stay glam.